Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So this skincare routine is super simple and easy, and I'm following this bedtime routine from a very long time. So I just love to do these steps and just pamper my skin before going to sleep. So now without further ado, let's start this video. So first thing first, firstly we'll just remove this makeup. Removing your makeup is really essential before going to sleep. And before removing the makeup, I'm just tying my hair with a hair tie. And then to remove this makeup, I'm using this Maybelline Micellar water. So you just need to take a little bit of this micellar water on a cotton pad. And then just use it to remove all your makeup. Removing your makeup should be the first step to your skincare routine at night. You can use some micellar water or a mild makeup remover that will not dry out your skin further and just removes your makeup effectively. And after removing all your makeup, now it's the time to cleanse your face. And for the cleanser, I'm using this Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. So I usually take 2 pumps of this product onto my palm and then massage my skin really well just to thoroughly cleanse my skin and to remove all the residue of the makeup which is left and to just deeply clean my skin. So now after cleansing my skin, now I'm just going to wash my skin with normal water. And then with the help of a towel, I'm going to pat dry my skin. Now the next step is toning, and for the toner I'm using this Lakme Absolute Pore Filling Toner. So there are actually 2 ways to use a spray toner. Firstly, you can just spritz it all over your face just like I'm doing here. And after spraying it all over your face and neck, you just need to pat it down really well into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this toner and gives you beautiful results. And the second method to use a toner is just to spray this toner on a cotton pad and then just swiftly glide it all over your face and neck just to shrink all your open pores and to make your skin really nice, supple and soft. And after toning, it's the time to moisturize our skin, and for the moisturizer I'm using this CLINIQUE Moisture Surge. So you just need to take a pea-sized amount of this product and apply it all over your face and neck, and then light-handedly just massage it really well onto your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this toner and moisturizes your skin really well. So this moisturizer has a beautiful formula which can suit every skin type, and it can be used anytime whenever your skin is feeling a little dull or tired. Just use this moisturizer and it will give you instant glowy skin. And now for the deep hydration at night, I'm using this Plum, Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn facial oil blend. And I'm just taking a few drops of this facial oil onto my palm and just massage it between my palms just to warm it up. And then apply it all over my face and neck, and I'm just gently pushing it into my skin just to rejuvenate my dull and tired skin and makes it really glowy and nice. And this facial oil blend also has anti-aging properties and also helps in making your skin even tone and gives you deep hydration. Now after moisturizing our skin, now it's time to moisturize our under eye area, and for that I'm using this Blossom Culture Under Eye Gel, and I'm just taking a little amount of this gel on my fingertips and super gently massaging it under my eyes in the outward and upward direction. It's really necessary to moisturize your under eye area because under eye area is one of the most sensitive area in human body. So to prevent any wrinkles or fine lines under your eyes, you should always heavily moisturize your under eye area. And now lastly, to moisturize our lips, I'm using this Biotique Lip Balm, and I'm just applying a generous amount of this lip balm all over my lips just to keep them moisturized and hydrated throughout the night. So yeah, that's it for this nighttime skincare routine. I just like to do this 6-step skincare routine at night just to deeply rejuvenate my skin while I'm sleeping. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.